If you're a person like me who hates false lashes, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure to apply a mascara the right way to get that length and volume. This is how my lash look, okay? So this is the lash curler. This is very important. Let it be any kind of mascara you're going to apply. This is a must. Can you believe this is almost 10 years old now? So yeah, first what you have to do is just look down, take your lash, upper lash, press this for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see the difference. See this lash and this lash, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are done curling our lashes. This helps in lifting your lash naturally so that your mascara will play easily. So the mascara I'm going to use in this video is this from L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Very, very famous mascara. One of the best mascara available in market. So yeah. So I'll show you. Just follow the steps, okay? Can you just see I've done my left, eyelashes. So I'm just going to teach you how to get this done. So let's do this eye.
So take the mascara, first apply downwards, okay? Just slowly, steadily, one downward stroke. Yes, take your time. Yeah. Then immediately just lift it upwards like that, okay? And while lifting upwards, you should always separate your lashes the way I'm doing it. You can just see, right? I'm just, shaking it and lifting it upwards. So this way, your lashes will not stick to each other and it will be separated and you will get that length and volume. So one stroke down, immediately up, shake it and continue doing it, okay? You have to be, real quick because, you have to do all this procedure when your mascara is still wet. When it get dry, it will be very tough, okay? So yeah, I'm repeating the mascara for the second time. I'm doing a second coat, same procedure, second coat. Just shake it and separate the lashes, okay? So yeah, keep doing it, be patient. Once you master, right, you will do it real quick. Just to show you guys, I'm taking this time, otherwise I will be doing it real quick. So yeah, now let's do the lower lashes, okay? So lower lashes, you have to do it same way with same patience. Just apply all over the lashes first, then use a tip of your wand, okay, mascara wand, and slowly coat every hair. Same way you have to separate the lashes, shouldn't stick to each other. Use the tip of the wand and coat the lashes. Take your time, be very slow and gentle because you don't have to mess your makeup, right? Slow and gentle.
They are so lengthy, voluminous, and looks like you've applied no false lash only. I always get this comment in person. People seeing me will ask me, your eyelashes are looking nice. So this is how I get it done. So I'm going to recommend 3 best mascaras. You can buy whatever you want to buy. The first one is obviously this L'Oreal's Lash Paradise mascara. This is really good. You can see, right? The only drawback it is very stubborn waterproof mascara. So a little difficult to remove it. Otherwise, it's perfect. And the second one is this Flower Beauty's, mascara. This is very nice. If you want, nice length and clean look, this mascara is very, very good for your everyday purpose. Okay. So the Lash Paradise mascara will be like, you can use it for your party events. This you can use it for your regular purpose. The third one is the Maybelline's Lash Sensational all-time favorite mascara, affordable mascara. This is very good when it comes to, volume and length. So you can buy any. While doing makeup, I always take more time for my eye look, especially to apply mascara, because it's the first thing people notice on our face, right? So let me know in the comment box which part of your face you concentrate more while doing makeup. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel to see more content like this and stay connected with my family. Bye bye.